Demand for Halloween costumes has skyrocketed as festivities evolve into multi-purpose dress-up events. Beyond trick-or-treating, today's buyers, including stream-loving typists and gaming enthusiasts, seek immersive gear that blends comfort with high visual impact. Our guide evaluates top picks based on material switch quality, overall build, silhouette layout, and total value, ensuring you make a standout choice this season.
Product number 1. Cosplay Snug Fit Unisex Adult Onsie Pajamas, Flannel Cosplay Animal One-Piece Halloween Costume Sleepwear Homeware. The Cosplay Snug Fit Unisex Adult Onsie brings unmatched warmth and effortless flair to any Halloween gathering or cozy night in. Crafted from high-grade, ultra-soft flannel fabric, this cosplay animal one-piece feels remarkably plush against the skin while holding up to continuous wear. Its breathable layout allows for natural temperature regulation, making it as ideal for intense indoor gaming sessions as it is for brisk outdoor autumn festivities. The costume features an intuitive front button or zipper enclosure, paired with elastic wrist and ankle cuffs, securing a tailored fit that never feels restrictive. Attention to design detail is evident in its vibrant hood features and expressive back tails, turning you into a head-turning character instantly. The tailored unisex cut offers generous room for layering over standard clothing without appearing bulky. Furthermore, machine-washable resilience ensures easy upkeep, keeping colors vibrant across multiple seasons. Whether you need reliable lounge sleepwear, a warm festival outfit, or a hilarious group costume anchor, the Cosplay Onsie balances ultimate physical comfort, premium stitch quality, and exceptional value.
Product number 2. Mr. Pang LED Light-Up Mask with Gesture Sensing. Kids' Toys Gifts for Boys. Face-transforming Halloween costume mask. 50 patterns. Gifts for Halloween, Christmas, birthday, cosplay party. Fit kids, adults. The Mr. Pang LED Light-Up Mask represents a high-tech leap in modern costume accessories, catering to kids and adults alike. Outfitted with 50 distinct digital display patterns, 25 dynamic animated faces, and 25 static images, this face-transforming mask lets you change your entire persona in a fraction of a second. Integrated gesture sensing technology allows users to wave a hand across the front sensor to effortlessly toggle through designs, creating a spellbinding visual effect during party reveals or gaming live streams. Built with ergonomically padded eye cushions and adjustable straps, the mask ensures long-term wearing comfort without pressuring facial contact points. Powered by an efficient, safe LED array, the lighting delivers bright, saturated hues, visible even in moderate ambient light. The durable ABS shell protects internal circuitry against minor impacts, making it sturdy enough for enthusiastic youth wear. Perfect for Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, and cosplay conventions, it merges futuristic gadgetry with user-friendly operation. Offering incredible versatility for its price point, the Mr. Pang Gesture Mask stands out as a high-value showstopper that redefines traditional Halloween dress-up.
Product number 3. Spooktacular Creations Halloween Ninja Costume. Ninja outfit set for kids. Halloween costumes for boys dress-up party. The Spooktacular Creations Ninja Costume Set empowers young adventurers with a complete, action-ready outfit designed for active Halloween trick-or-treating and creative roleplay. Constructed from lightweight, durable polyester, this full ensemble includes a jumpsuit with attached hood, face mask, waist belt, wrist straps, and simulated foam weaponry accessories. The breathable weave guarantees that energetic kids stay cool during high-octane play, while double-stitched stress points prevent tearing during active movement. Designed with user convenience in mind, hidden rear hook and loop closures make fast outfit changes straightforward. The layout strikes an excellent balance between authentic martial arts aesthetic and child safety, utilizing flexible, soft foam prop weapons that pose zero hazard. Deep black fabric accented by high-contrast trim gives the costume a sleek, dramatic look that looks fantastic in photos and under neighborhood streetlights. Parents will appreciate the stain-resistant material and easy spot cleaning properties. Delivering a comprehensive bundle with all essential accessories included, this ninja kit provides unmatched bang-for-your-buck value for boys' dress-up events and themed parties. Product number 4. Spooktacular Creations Appealing Banana Costume Adult Deluxe Set for Halloween Dress-Up Party and Roleplay Cosplay. For adults looking to bring instant comedy and crowd-pleasing energy to any Halloween event, the Spooktacular Creations Deluxe Banana Costume is a top-tier contender. Constructed from a structured foam-lined composite fabric, this full-length suit retains its vibrant yellow silhouette without collapsing or sagging throughout the night.
The step-in layout features generous arm and leg cutouts alongside a wide face opening, allowing wearers full freedom of movement to eat, drink, dance, and socialize comfortably. Its lightweight internal frame provides excellent dimensional shape while remaining fully collapsible for convenient travel and storage. Vivid color dyes resist fading, ensuring the bright peel remains vibrant under bright party lights or camera flashes. Designed as a slip-over tunic, it accommodates varying body shapes and winter layering effortlessly. The fun, recognizable theme makes it a perpetual favorite for group themes, college parties, and promotional events. Durable construction withstands accidental spills and lively party environments. Offering zero-stress assembly and high visual impact, this deluxe banana suit delivers maximum comedic value and hassle-free comfort.
Product number 5. Marvel Miles Morales Spider-Man Official Youth Deluxe Zentai Costume. Stretch spandex with hidden zippers and wrist slits. The official Marvel Miles Morales Youth Deluxe Zentai costume translates iconic comic book design into a premium, wearable suit for young superheroes. Engineered for a 4-way stretch spandex blend, this full-body suit contours seamlessly to the body while allowing total freedom for running, jumping, and heroic posing. Smart functional details elevate this suit far above standard costumes, featuring concealed dual zippers for smooth entry and practical wrist slits that allow kids to free their hands for eating or phone use without stripping off the suit. The high-definition screen-printed red web accents and chest emblem reflect screen-accurate detailing from the Miles Morales saga. Reinforced stitching at key stress points ensures durability against aggressive playground use, while the breathable stretch mesh mask offers clear peripheral vision and unobstructed breathing. The sleek body-conforming layout eliminates excess fabric bulk, providing an authentic hero appearance that feels like a second skin. Designed with comic accuracy and functional longevity, this Zentai suit provides ultimate superhero immersion for dedicated Marvel fans.
Product number 6. Gold Stitch Men Hooded Robe Cloak Night Fancy Cool Cosplay Costume. The Gold Stitch Men Hooded Robe Cloak offers dramatic medieval flair and versatile styling for fans of fantasy, wizardry, and knightly cosplay. Crafted from a substantial, heavy blend uniform fabric, this full-length cloak drapes elegantly over the shoulders, providing an authentic historical silhouette rather than a flimsy party store look. The oversized deep hood creates an enigmatic aura, dropping smoothly over the forehead while maintaining stable positioning. Designed with long flared sleeves and a secure front tie closure, it allows seamless layering over doublets, armor, or contemporary attire. Strong structural stitching supports the heavy draping material, ensuring the cloak retains its dramatic line even during outdoorsy Renaissance fairs or nighttime Halloween gatherings. The deep color saturation resists fading, preserving a rich tone across repeated wears and washes. Perfect for Jedi Knights, Dark Sorcerers, Grim Reapers, or Gothic nobility, its open layout makes it adaptable to dozens of distinct characters. Combining durable fabric quality, dramatic drape aesthetics, and multi-costume utility, Gold Stitch delivers an essential costume investment.
Selecting the perfect Halloween costume ultimately depends on your balance of comfort, dramatic impact, and theme. High-tech options like the Mr. Pang LED mask offer dynamic visual versatility for modern parties, while classic picks like the Cosplay onesie or gold-stitched hooded robe deliver multi-season utility and comfortable wear. For youth, officially licensed fits like the Miles Morales Sentai suit and Spooktacular Ninja set provide durable, action-ready design.